What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Bonin Vargas of ZEBIANMNL. So today, bago tayo mag-umpisa ng video natin, meron tayong ayuda mula kay Jeff Pile of Supers Brew. Tara, inom! Kape to ah! Alright, so our next Leather Play Button Award goes to keann TV.
For today's vlog, we're gonna road trip on my mom. We're gonna sundo my mom.
Susunduin natin si ma'am.
We're gonna get my mom. And what's up guys? For today's vlog, we're gonna go Rizal Avenue. But may avenue. Welcome to
keann
TV.
So again, congratulations to keann TV. So Kuya Caleb, congratulations sa'yo for getting our Leather Play Button Award. Make sure every weekday, study first. Tapos kapag weekends, tsaka ka lang pwede maglaro ng games mo, okay? And make sure that you have to follow your father and your mother. Tsaka yung mga nakakatanda sa'yo. And huwag kalimutang maging magalang sa mga nakakatanda, alright? And syempre, maging mabait sa mga kapatid at sa ibang tao. Okay? Thank you, Kuya, and congratulations again! Alright, so perhaps nagtataka kayo kung bakit nag-award ako na kahit 750 pa lang yung subscribers natin. And kasi nasabi ko dati sa previous videos ko na we will be awarding our Leather Play Button Award every 800 or every 100 subscribers that we will gain. Actually, this is a special award since almost 750 subscribers pa lang yung meron tayo. And this award, this Leather Play Button, is actually the first one availed from our Leather Play Buttons. Bale, si Sir Wally, yung tatay ni Caleb, siya yung nag-avail ng Leather Play Button natin for his son. Actually, nung tinanong ko si Sir Wally kung bakit niya naisipang bigyan ng award si Caleb, is yung sabi lang niya is parang support niya sa anak niya. Teka, naiiyak ako. Alright, so ayun. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Sir Wally kasi init. Alright, so ayun. gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Sir Wally kasi may mga gaya niyang magulang na handang sumuporta sa mga anak nila, sa mga pangarap ng anak nila. And ayun. So, kay Caleb, enjoy your Leather Play Button Award and pasalamat ka sa mga magulang mo lagi. Dahil andyan sila para handang sumuporta sa'yo. Alright, so yun. Emotional. Alright, so I just would like to say thank you to all the parents na sumusuporta sa lahat ng pangarap ng mga anak nila. Gaya ni Sir Wally at ng wife niya, they are both frontliners and they are sacrificing their time to serve other people. And syempre, kapag may oras sila, they are doing their best to be the best parents for their children. So, again, thank you to Sir Wally and to your wife. Sa lahat ng mga magulang, salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga pangarap ng mga anak ninyo. So, ayun. Thank you guys. And again, congratulations to Caleb.